All right, guys. Sorry, it didn't record. That's fine. So here's what you guys are gonna do. So I'm basically here in this video, and I'm gonna show you guys if you're a Forex trader and you basically have a hard time finding Forex setups or whatever you do, or you're struggling finding Forex setups. I'm here to help you guys. So the first thing I want you guys to understand is the fact that the news simply moves the markets. It's all we need to know. We're gonna keep this video simple. No matter what you trade, smart money, EMA, futures, ICT, SMC, supply and demand, you need to know that the news simply moves the market because it has economic data, and economic data adds value, whether that value is supply or demand. So supply and demand is created by the news. So it's important to understand when the news is coming out, because if you're trading your trading strategy, you could actually be stopped out because you weren't paying attention to the news that was coming out for the day. Like today is GBP news and US dollar news. Those are the two only currencies that are moving, that are the medium to high volatile, that are actually moving and actually significant today. So if you're trading GBP, you actually want to come on this website and understand when that news event is happening, because if you're trading this, let me show you. The news moves the market. There is no movement going up and down without the news. Retail traders, retail traders move sideways. You see that sideways consolidation right on my screen, right here, where the arrow is? That sideways consolidation, those small candles are created by small traders, retail traders, traders that are sitting home with little capital. And big capital, such as millions and millions of dollars worth of positions in the market, cause the market to move like this, where you're seeing right there, where the arrow is pointed to now. So now that you know this, you need to be careful of the news that's coming out, because anytime you see a movement in the market and it's bigger than the small candle like this is news. This was created, this one candle is called demand. So my chart colors are blue and silver. The blue represents the bullish market, the gray represents the bearish market going down. Right now we're in the blue market, bullish, because there's demand in the GBP currency, the Great British Pound of the UK, of United Kingdom. So if we go with Forex Factory, the news already happened, and you can, I either, when I trade the news, I enter before the news or I enter after the news. You can do either one. I just don't like to enter during the news, okay? So the important factor for you guys to understand is that this whole thing, like I said, was created by this event right here. And that's all you need to know. And this is why it's important, like I said before a million times. When you're trading whatever strategy you guys trade, the first thing you should do before trading is check the news to make sure the pair that you're trading isn't going to be and there's nothing wrong if it does have news, because I trade the news personally, but it's just to simply keep aware of the fact that the market is moving and that the market has demand. So like what's it called? Yeah. So you don't need to know whether the retail sales data is positive or negative, because we're mainly Forex traders and we mainly use fundamental analysis, because we're mainly studying price action, and price action can be and is a direct translation of what's happening in the economy. We are just analyzing supply and demand, and the news creates supply and demand, and we trade supply and demand, because I trade supply and demand. So when there's demand, prices will increase. When demand is greater than supply, guys, prices will increase. And when supply is greater than demand, prices will fall. The market is going up because prices are greater than demand. Prices are greater than supply. The demand in the market is greater than the supply in the market. Because if there was greater supply, there would be silver price action instead of blue price action, because it's going up, because there's greater demand than supply right now in the current moment, right? So the news simply adds supply and demand. These impulses going upwards and downwards, like you see here with arrow, represent supply and demand. And anything other than these movements, look at this. Look at these small candles. You think you can trade those? This is why I don't like trading when smart money is in the market. And if you're wondering what I mean by smart money, what everybody means by that is smart money just simply refers to the banks and institutions and the large players, and simply the ones in the market that have the most capital, because in reality it's about money. The only reason the market moves is because of money, and because of people positioning themselves in the market and buying up assets or selling a lot of assets. And when smart money buys an asset, they buy it with a lot of money because they have a lot of money, because they're rich, right? So they tend to leave a footprint in the market because of how rich they are. Because if you have a lot of money, you can't buy positions in the market without the market knowing. And it's up to you to identify when they're doing this. So right here, me identifying that gray box with the big ass blue candle represents a footprint in the market left by the ones who created the demand in the first place from here, which was the GBP news, right? So, like I said, guys, always keep track of the news that's coming out. I'm sorry, guys, to banging. Always keep track of the news that's coming out. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This video is going to be really small because it's going to be hard to fucking record with all that fucking banging. All right, now it's stopped. All right. So, I was gonna just end the video. I guess I'll continue it. Another tip is you try to have like try to understand the London session you're trading. So if you work in the morning, like early morning, you shouldn't be trading early New York session or early London session. You should be trading Asian session and New York session, because if you trade early in the morning, you're most likely getting off in the afternoon or at evening. So the only sessions that are going on in the evening and afternoon are Asian and New York. So the average person that trades in the morning should trade the Asian and New York session, not the London session. The London session's for people that don't work early in the morning. And yeah, or can be up at late at night. So if you do work, you can still be up late. So yeah, guys. So yeah, this was really simple. And another tip for you guys is take the grid off. So when you guys are trading on TradingView, and you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. So if you look at the background, you see how the background on my screen and my charts are white. There's usually a grid here with black and white lines, or black lines. Remove the grid so it can only show you price action, so you can actually understand the market and see it for what it is, so you don't get distracted by all these indicators and things like that. Because yeah, guys, I trade really simple. And I'm not going to get too in depth because this video was only specifically about that one fact that will help you guys find more Forex setups. And if you're struggling to find more Forex setups, this will help you, the news. Simply go on Forex Factory and pay attention to the news that's coming out. Because the news moves the market. The news is telling you what currencies are going to move. And in Forex, we make money off of movement, right? We make money buying, hopefully for price to go up, and selling for price to go down. And the only thing that makes pricing go down is the fucking news. I keep telling you guys. So yeah, pay attention to the news. I have a free Discord if you guys are interested. It is in the description. It's free. You guys can join it. Yeah, so join the free Discord. Be a part of my community. If you guys are struggling with becoming consistent every week, then this is definitely what you want to do. Because if you're not consistent every week or consistent at all, then there's no point of trading, because you can't make money with trading unless you're consistent. So in order to be consistent and make money with trading, you need a winning strategy and a plan, an actual written plan on a piece of paper or digital paper that you can literally checklist step by step every single day or week and trade. And yeah, guys, so if you guys need help with your trading journey, or if you guys, want to just share your experience with other people in the group, go ahead and join the group. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video here for today. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Remember, pay attention to the news that's coming out. Always pay attention to the news that's coming out. The news represents movement. There's always opportunity in the market. You're just not present there. All right? Peace.